Hello world! Welcome back to another HackerRank Python challenge video. In this video, we're going to be solving sWAP case. Let's get started. You're given a string and your task is to swap cases. In other words, convert all lowercase letters to uppercase letters and vice versa. For example, and you see just random, all we're doing is just swapping the cases of the letters. Okay, cool. So they give us a main function. Looks like we cannot edit this function at all. Oh, let's go ahead and switch over to Python 3 while we're at it. Much better. Okay, so they give us a swap case function. Now, we could have just done this in the main function because there's already a swap case function available for Python. So all we need to do is return our string and then run swap case on it, right? So let's run the code. Look at that. Easy peasy, nothing to it. So you'll find that there's a lot of just library functions that can do exactly what you wanted to do in it. I also forgot to do the constraint, so let's go ahead and finish that first, just in case they check for the constraint, right? So if length of our string is not in range of, see, 0 is exclusive there, so 1 to 1001, then print string up. S must be a length inclusively between 1 and 1000. All right, go ahead and throw our exit. We'll go ahead and rerun the code just to make sure my syntax is correct. And look at that. Let's go ahead and submit it. Another easy challenge, just like the tuples one. Nothing to it. Like I said before, plenty of library functions out there to do what you want it to do, and makes your life 10 times easier if you know what they are. But a simple Google will tell you the same thing. It'll, give you the swap case function. If you wanted to, is there a Python function that can swap cases? Is there a Python function that can just capitalize letters? Or, just, you'll never know what you'll find. Python has many, many built-in functions accessible to you. And not just built-in functions, libraries that you can import that you'll have access to as well that also make your life easier, especially with math problems on here, or more complicated math problems. So you don't have to write the algorithm out yourself. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on our content. And check out the Patreon and Discord links in the description box down below. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. This is Almond Milk, signing out.